Hey everyone, welcome back to The Simple Dad. Today I've got something exciting to share. I'm going to show you how to get the iOS 26 beta update on your iPhone. So Apple has just made a big leap from iOS 18 to iOS 26, and if you're eager to check out the new features early, then this is how you can do it. So let's get started. So in order to get iOS 26, you want to go ahead first open up settings. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find General. From here, find Software Update. And then from here, you want to go ahead and make sure beta update is switched on. And once beta update is switched on, you'll find iOS 26 developer beta. Now, if you're signed into your Apple ID and connected to the Wi-Fi, you'll see this option to select iOS 26 developer option beta. And just go ahead and select it and then go ahead and update it. So just a quick word of caution. This is a beta version, so it may contain bugs or cause unexpected issues. So if you're thinking of installing it, I highly recommend backing up your iPhone first, as if you have banking apps or any apps which you use quite regularly, you might experience some issues with those. And personally, I wouldn't install this on your main phone just yet. If you have a spare or older device, that's the best place to test it out without risking your daily setup. So once you're ready, just go ahead and tap on download and install, and that's it. Your iPhone will update just like a regular software update. But once it installs it, you'll then be running iOS 26 beta with all the newest features before the official public release later this year, most likely around September. For those of you who want access to this developer beta, you need to go ahead and make sure your device is enrolled to Apple's developer program. So in order to do this, you want to go ahead and open up Safari. Just go ahead and search for Apple developer and go ahead and enroll to this program. It's completely free of charge. So this is the website which you need to go to. I will leave a link in the description down below. If you scroll down, and you can go ahead and create one yourself. So you can basically join this developer mode. And that's all for today's video on how to get iOS 26 beta. If this helped you out, please consider hitting the like button. Subscribe for more simple tech tips, tutorials, and reviews right here on The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.